My name is Linda Ejekum, and I'm your online teacher for class 1 to class 6, and I'll be taking you through mathematics, science, English and social studies. And throughout our lesson, you'll be given some assignments and homeworks to try your hands on. So today we are taking mathematics for class 1. We'll be treating numbers for today, but before we start, let's look at some pre-number concepts. Now, let's count the number of cups we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we have 4 cups here. Now, look at the cup here and tell me which is the smallest. Okay, this. Good. Now, let's look at the second example. Now, how many balls do we have here? 1, 2, 3. Yes, we have 3 balls. Now, look at the balls here and tell me which one is the biggest. Okay, good. This is the biggest. Let's go to the third example. So, let's count the number of pencils we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Now look at the pencils on the board and tell me which one is the longest. Yes, this one. Basically, the pre-number concept is just talking about the height, size, weight of an object. So, let's look at our last example. We have good. Now, what objects? Tell me the names of the objects we have here. But before that, let's count the objects we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 objects here. Now you're going to tell me the names of the objects we have here. Yes, orange. Yes, paper. Yes, ball. Yes, tree. Thank you. So which one is the lightest object we have here? The lightest. Good. Is paper. Paper is the lightest object we have here. Okay, which one is the heaviest object we have here? Good. Tree is the heaviest object we have here. Okay, we are done with the pre-number concepts now. We are treating our numbers. As I said, numbers are really good for counting. So now we are going to count numbers from 1 to 20. 1 to 20. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good. Now we are done with our numbers. So I want us to continue with our number names. Let's try and write the names for these numbers. Now what number is this? Good. 1. So O-N-E. 1. What number is this? 2. So T-W-O. 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. This is 6. So S-I-X. 6. Let's go to 7. So what number is this? 7. So S-E-V-E-N. 7. 8. E-I-J-H-T. 8. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. 10. T-E-N. 10. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. 13. 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14. 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N. 16. 17. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. 17. 18. E-I-J. So 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-N. 19. 20. T-W. So let's continue with multiples of 10. And it also means counting in tens. So this is how to count in tens or multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. These are the multiples of 10 or counting in tens. Now let's count in hundreds. Multiples of hundreds. multiples of 100. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000 or 1000. So these are the multiples of 100. Let's try some exercise on what we've learned so far. So exercise 1. Write the number name for the following. $50, $12, $61, $8, and $15. So we are writing the number names, the number name for 50. So that is FIFTY, 50. So let's write the number name for 12. TWELFE. 12. The number name for 61. So you have XIXONA1. So let's write the number name for 8. The number name for 15. Good. Okay. So let's try the second exercise. So let's do exercise 2 now. So exercise 2. Let's write the numeral for the following number names. $104, $110, $185. $191. Now for exercise 1, we did the numbers for the. Okay, so for our exercise 2, we are going to write the numeral for the following number names. Numerals is the same as numbers. So we have 104. 104. We are going to write 104 in numbers. These are words. These numbers are written in words. So we are going to write it in numbers. So 104 is written like this: 104. The second one, we have 110. So let's write 110 in numbers. So 110. We have 185. It's 185. Then the last one, we have 120, which is written 120. We are still on our numbers and still on our counting. So I'm going to draw some objects on the board. Then you count and choose from the number below. Okay, so we are going to count the number of objects we have here. Then we choose from the numbers. We choose from the numbers below the objects. So let's count the number of balls we have here. We have 1, 2, 3. So you choose from the numbers we have here. We have 4, we have 3, and then we have 2. So the balls here are 3. So you circle your 3 here. Now we have, these are ice creams. Let's count the number of ice creams we have here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. And these are numbers below. This is 1, this is 4, and this is 2. So we have 4 ice creams. You circle your 4. And we have 2 fishes here. 1, 2. So you circle the 2 from the numbers we have here. We have 5, we have 6, and then we have 2. So you circle your 2. And we have cups here. So let's count the number of cups we have here. We have 1, 2, 3. Then below the cups we have 6, we have 3, and then we have 7. So you circle the number of cups we have here. We have 3 cups here. So you circle.